a drug chemist, my primary duties include analyzing items of evidence brought in by law enforcement officers for the presence or absence of a controlled substance. I write lab reports to the results of my findings and testify in court when needed. Drug chemistry analysis involves identifying the presence or absence of a controlled substance. And a controlled substance is simply anything whose possession and use is regulated by state and federal law. Each item of evidence that comes into the crime laboratory is opened and weighed by one of our analysts. We perform two different types of tests on that type of evidence, the first being a preliminary test. A preliminary test will allow us to determine the possible class of the compound we have, and then we follow that up with a confirmatory test using one of the two instrumentations we have in the lab, including the one you see right here, the gas chromatography and mass spectroscopy. I actually fell into forensic science by accident. I have an undergraduate degree in marine biology and chemistry, and I actually wanted to be a dolphin or whale trainer at SeaWorld. But as part of an elective for the chemistry program, I took a forensic science chemistry course, and I just fell in love with it. I fell in love with the science and how the science is used to protect the community, and I think after that I was just hooked. So I think the most interesting part of my job is that it's constantly changing. There are always new and emerging drugs that come out, and you have to stay one step ahead and use your creativity to break apart some of these really complex mixtures and identify brand new controlled substances, and we're doing that every day here. My advice would be to pay attention in your organic chemistry classes and then talk to your professors. Get in the lab with them, do research with them. Get your hands on as many different types of research as you can, because this is a hands-on science and we get our hands dirty every single day.